Welcome, this is the Amazon product introducing video. If you like this video, subscribe, and if you want to buy this product, click the link on below description.
Professional 10-channel RC dump truck. This top-race construction toy dump truck is not just a toy, it is a professional hobby-grade machine, the best gift toy for all ages. Works great with our bulldozer, excavator and front loader. Powerful engines and heavy rubber tires. Carrying power of 7 pounds on its flatbed alone. Performance. Full swinging flatbed up and down, works like a real dump truck vehicle with heavy dirt, stones or even bricks, has headlights and sound for realistic performance. Used with their bulldozer, excavator and front loader. Size and battery, large 1/14 scale, which is about 18 inches long, charging time is about 2 hours. Play time 45 to 50 minutes. Includes big remote control dump truck, 2.4 GHz transmitter, 400 mAh 7.2 VNE CD rechargeable battery, USB charging cord, manual, 488 transmitter batteries not included. Great gift for ages 5 to 10 and teenagers, adults and even old ages will love playing with this dump truck construction vehicle. TRC-285 RC airplane. Elevators and rudder controls. Three-level stabilization system for advanced or beginners.